Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to add your Eden card to Apple Wallet. So first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Then open the Apple Wallet app. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select debit or credit card. From here, choose a different card or either scan your Edenred card or enter the details manually. Once added, your bank or Edenred provider will send the verification code. Just confirm it through text, email, or app. After it's verified, your Edenred card will now appear in Apple Wallet and be ready to use with Apple Pay at supported stores and online checkouts. That's it. Your Edenred card is linked and ready to tap to pay convenience. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.